Forget everything you think you know about modern ship stabilization, because the secret to keeping today's multi-ton ocean giant steady isn't AI. It isn't digital sensors. It's something far older, a 1930s invention that still saves lives at sea: the gyroscope, a spinning wheel of wonder that defies gravity and time itself. When a ship rolls in high seas, its passengers and cargo are at the mercy of physics. But one silent hero resists that chaos: the gyroscope. Its spinning motion generates an incredible force of stability, balancing ships in ways even some modern computers can't replicate on their own. This century-old principle remains the unshakable backbone of maritime balance. The gyroscope's maritime journey began in the 1930s, an age of breathtaking innovation and mechanical marvels. Engineers discovered that a fast-spinning flywheel, mounted on a set of gimbals, could resist the powerful tilting forces from ocean waves. It was pure physics in action. No chips, no circuits, just momentum and mathematics working in perfect harmony. So, how does this mechanical magic work? Here's the science, simplified. A gyroscope fiercely resists any change to its axis of rotation. Think of a spinning top. It's hard to knock over. When a massive wave tries to roll a ship, the gyroscope inside reacts with an opposing force called precession, which actively counters the motion. The result: the ship steadies, and passengers barely feel the chaos raging outside. It's simple in theory, but absolutely brilliant in execution. While the core principle hasn't changed in over 90 years, the technology itself has evolved dramatically. Today's marine gyros are marvels of modern engineering. They spin at over 10,000 revolutions per minute, often housed in vacuum-sealed chambers to eliminate air resistance. These modern versions may be digitally controlled, but their soul is still purely mechanical, the same powerful heart that steadied ships a century ago. You might be asking, why rely on a 1930s idea when we have advanced computers and retractable fin stabilizers? It's a great question. The answer lies in versatility. Fin stabilizers are fantastic, but they need water flowing over them to work. This makes them less effective when a ship is stationary, like at anchor, or moving very slowly. Gyroscopes, on the other hand, work anytime, anywhere, at any speed. They are constant, vigilant guardians, unaffected by the ship's velocity. From billion-dollar luxury yachts to mission-critical research vessels, gyroscopes are still the trusted choice for rock-solid stability. They ensure that delicate scientific instruments stay perfectly level. They keep onboard medical facilities operational even in the roughest seas. Even the most advanced naval ships rely on gyros for the pinpoint balance required. For modern warfare systems, their reliability is simply legendary. But here's where it gets really interesting. Today, gyroscopes don't compete with modern systems. They collaborate. Their precise motion data is fed directly into computer-controlled stabilization programs, dramatically enhancing real-time decision-making. Together, they create a powerful synergy of old-school physics and new-age intelligence. It's a silent, seamless partnership between the past and the future, working together to conquer the seas. This partnership has led to incredible new capabilities. Modern ships now use gyroscopic data for predictive stabilization. Sophisticated algorithms analyze the gyro's feedback to forecast upcoming wave patterns and adjust the ship's balance in advance. This proactive approach not only provides a smoother ride, but also reduces energy loss and improves overall fuel efficiency. A century-old mechanism is now at the very center of eco-smart maritime navigation. Let's peek inside a modern marine gyro, like a seakeeper. At its core is a heavy, precision-machined rotor, spinning at immense speeds. This rotor is housed in a vacuum-sealed sphere to minimize friction and heat. Powerful electric motors keep it spinning, while a sophisticated system of hydraulic actuators translates its immense reactive force into tangible stabilization power for the entire vessel. It's a masterful blend of raw physics and precision engineering, compact, efficient, and virtually unstoppable. Far from being obsolete, gyroscope technology is actually entering a new golden age. Engineers are now experimenting with R-Smart gyros that can self-adjust their spin speed to perfectly match sea conditions, maximizing efficiency. Some groundbreaking prototypes are even integrating magnetic levitation to float the rotor, virtually eliminating mechanical wear and dramatically increasing life expectancy. It's the same timeless principle, reborn for a smarter, greener world. The gyroscope is a powerful reminder that not all progress means replacing the old. Sometimes it means refining perfection. A 1930s marvel continues to keep millions of people safe at sea every single year, proving that true innovation doesn't age. It evolves. So the next time you see a massive ship gliding smoothly through choppy waves, remember the spinning secret, deep within its hull, keeping it steady. If this story of timeless technology inspired you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you do not miss our next deep dive into the world of engineering marvels. Thanks for watching.